Assalamu alaikum dear students and lovely friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sayyida and you're watching the channel Fun Learn Official. Yeah, I upgraded my name and it's looking so cool, right? No? Sorry. So friends, today the topic of our discussion is about names with and without the. It is a very important and lengthy topic. The today's topic have 5 parts: A, B, C, D and E. But discussing all the parts in one video will make it very lengthy and boring. So today we will discuss the first 3 parts. So kindly watch the video till end, and my new viewers, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon as well so that you can get the notification at first. And if you won't do that, I will not love you. Yeah, you will break my heart, you know. So let's get started. So friends, before going to the part A, let me give you a brief definition about the word the. Students, basically the is a grammatical article used to refer things or people that are common in our daily life. It is basically used to define a noun. But articles are also considered a type of adjective, so the is technically an adjective as well. So now let's move towards the main topic. Part A. We do not use the with the name of people. For example, Sayyida, Junaid, Qasim, Aisha. You know that, right? In the same way, we do not normally use the with the name of places. That is, continents, countries, states, regions, islands, cities, towns and mountains, etc. For example, Africa, France, Texas, Bermuda, New York, Everest. But we will not use the with them. As I said, these are the name of places. But friends, we use the in names with republic, kingdom, states, etc. For example, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Dominican Republic. If we compare it, we visited Canada and the United States. Why didn't we use the with Canada? It's because Canada is the name of a country and we do not use the with the name of countries. Part B. When we use Mr., Mrs., Captain, Doctor like common nouns, etc. with a name, we do not use the with them. So we say it like that: Mr. Johnson, Dr. Johnson, Captain Johnson, President Johnson. Same like Uncle Robert, Aunt Jane, Princess Anna, etc. We will not use the with them because even if the doctor, captain, Mr., Mrs. is a common noun, we are using a name with it. Johnson is a name of a person, and as I said earlier that we do not use the with the name of peoples. That's why we will not use the with them. Let us compare it with a sentence. We called the doctor. Why do we use the with the doctor? Because doctor is a common noun. And same like we called Dr. Johnson, not the Dr. Johnson. Just because Johnson is the name of a person and it's a proper noun. That's why we didn't use the with it. Same like we use Mount is equals to a mountain and lake in a same way, but without the. For example, Mount Everest, not the Mount Everest, and Lake Superior, not the Lake Superior. Let us compare it. They live near the lake, but they live near Lake Superior. Why didn't we use the with Lake Superior? Because Superior is the name of a lake and it's a proper noun. Part C. We use the with the names of oceans, seas, rivers and canals. For example, number 1. Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Number 2. River. The Amazon River, the Thames River. Number 3. Sea. The Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea. Number 4. Canals. The Suez Canals. So hope so guys you get it. And these are the all 3 parts. If you have any question regarding this lecture, you can ask me in the comment section or simply send your questions on my Gmail ID funlearnofficial@gmail.com. And friends, I will give you a task when this lecture will be completed fully. As I said that 2 parts are still remaining and I will upload that video soon. And happy Independence Day to my all Indian brothers and sisters and to Pakistanis as well. But the Independence Day of Pakistani was yesterday and I'm really sorry that I didn't upload a video to greet all of my Pakistani brothers and sisters just because I was suffering from a serious injury and I was not feeling well and I was not able to make a video yesterday. So I'm really very sorry for that. And please, if you like the video, kindly give it a big thumbs up and share the knowledge with your family and friends. And see you guys in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.